Grade 12s, we are doing elimination reaction in this video. So the elimination reaction is when the molecule is removed. Some molecules are removed from the organic molecules. E.g., you remove water, you remove a hydrogen molecule, you remove maybe HCl to form an alkene, that is unsaturated compound. So we have types of elimination. Remember I said you remove a molecule from organic molecule to form an alkene or unsaturated hydrocarbon. So we have 8 different types of elimination. The first one is dehydrogenation, which means we remove hydrogen. Okay, so in this one we remove hydrogen, remove H2, so we are removing hydrogen there. Then the following one is dehalogenation, which means in this one we are removing halogen. We remove halogen. Halogen is removed, right? As removed. The halogen, X represent halogen. It can be Cl2, it can be Br2, and so on. Then we also have another example of elimination or type of elimination, which is dehydrohalogenation, which means in this one we remove a hydrogen and a halogen. Dehydro from hydrogen, then halogenation. So we remove the hydrogen and the what? And the halogen. Siphinde sibe ne dehydration. So dehydration is straightforward. We just remove water. We remove water. Remove H2O, that is water. We also have cracking. So in cracking we break compounds. We break compounds as large as nkulu into more useful compounds. So there is a definition for cracking. From exam guidelines, the breaking down of longer chain hydrocarbon into more useful molecules. So we have 8 types of cracking. The first type of cracking is a thermal cracking. That is a thermal cracking. We also have another type which is a catalytic cracking. That is a catalytic cracking. Alright, so the products that we get in each type of cracking, a product with thermal cracking will be alkenes and hydrogen. So one alkene and hydrogen. Then with catalytic cracking we are going to see but the products that we get there, alkene and alkane. That is a catalytic cracking. So we have a product which is alkane and alkenes. Okay, let's go to the reaction conditions. So the dehydrohalogenation reaction will only take place if there is a catalyst. So the catalyst can be a platinum, can be a nickel, or a lead. The dehalogenation, yona need a non-reactive solvent. A solvent that will not react there. Then the dehydrohalogenation we need a concentrated strong base. These are, note we said concentrated strong base and heat. Remember, we also have a diluted strong base, but we eliminations is a concentrated strong base. So I made an example here, or examples of strong base. Lithium hydroxide can also be there. Okay, so see move here we dehydration, this one. So with dehydration, the condition is a dehydrating agent, a sulfuric acid, and which is concentrated as well. All in all, we use concentrated upper window with elimination. Since a mistake, there is no diluted whatever, no why cause a sulfuric acid, no why base, but it is concentrated, which means the sulfuric acid act as a dehydrating agent. We also have heat here. Okay, then let's quickly go to thermal. So I mean we cracking. So a cracking layers the two types. We have thermal cracking, we have catalytic cracking. So thermal cracking law i-conditions zakhe nazi ndizibhale lapha, ndenze nje mistake apha kwi-colors. Suppose this color is black. Ithi ke ngoku lento, for thermal cracking we need higher temperatures and higher pressure. Okay, so we need higher temperature. Once ubona higher temperature seyayazi ba kuzophuma i-product alkene and alkane. Zinganinzi ke zo alkenes, kodwa alkene and alkane. Okay, that is thermal cracking. Then we have a catalytic cracking. So a catalytic cracking, this one yona idinga a catalyst. As you can see, we need a catalyst. So once again, a catalyst, it can be a platinum, it can be a nickel, it can be a lead. But once it's la catalyst, says but the type of cracking is catalytic because there is a catalyst, and the product that we are going to get there is the alkenes and hydrogen. Remember, with thermal, the product that we are going to get there the alkenes ne alkanes, alcohol hydrogen there. Now let's quickly go to examples, few examples. I'll just do maybe one or two examples, then we go straight to equations. So let's look at this example. 1, 2, 3, let's say 3, 4. Then here I have the bromine, for example. The bromine. Okay, there is a bromine there. Now my strong upper compound. This is a 2-bromo-butane. This one. So this one, yintoni esingayi-remove apha? We can remove bromine or hydrogen, which means we remove HBr there. HBr singamremove apha u-H nabani no Br. Right? So zizinto esingazi-remove ezazoyi-2. Which means sizofumana 2 products. Mayisiyenze singamremove lo H okanye siremove lo H because lo Br sehambile. So H esingaba remove naba bebayi2 lo nalo H, which means ne product ezi2 ezingenzeka pha. So I product yokuqala ingano 1, 2, 3, 4. then sinabana besino-Br apha besinabani besino-H. Then masingandiyibhala sino-H here, sino-H soyibhala as it is, then we remove sino-H, that is a product here, sino-Br, sinabana apha sino-H, sinabana apha sino-H, 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 hydrogen, hydrogen. Then u-Br simsuse, nakwa simsusile u-Br, then sisuse nalo H. Then when kusenzeka elimination, the double bond forms here. Nansi a double bond. That is the first product engaphuma. Enye engaphuma i-product 1, 2, 3. Remember besino H here, hydrogen, nalapha sino hydrogen, nalapha sino hydrogen, sibe no hydrogen, sibe no Br. Hydrogen, hydrogen. Then obvious bromine siyamsusa, sitsho suse lona ke ngoku. Then the double bond forms here, plus i-product ezizophuma esizozibona pha. Okay, now let's talk about the conditions. Si-remove u-hydrogen nabani no-Br. Zithini conditions zapha? We use a concentrated strong base, which means there is another reactant pha engu-sodium, maybe hydroxide, onjani, or concentrated. So this one will dissociate layer, iformishe ions. We will have ion in OH or negative pha, sibe sino H or positive. La OH udibana no-H kuformisheke H2O. Then lo sodium ke ngoku belapha adibane no-bromide. La sodium adibane nabani no-bromide. Sitsho sibe nabani ke ngoku pha, sorry. So lo sodium uzodibana nalo bromide. Sitsho sibe nala salt pha, la sodium bromide. Right? Then sinezi ziyi-2 ke ngoku apha i-products ezingaphuma. Nazi ezi products ziyi-2 pha zingaphuma, which means we have a major product and a minor product. Yeyiphi ke ngoku ezoba i-major product apha? There is a rule esetyenziswayo elimination ethi after simthathile ubromine, ngowuphi ucarbon esizothatha u-H wakhe between lo nalo ukuze sifumane a major product. Ngowuphi ucarbon? Le rule ithi ukuze sifumane major product sizothathela ucarbon oseno-H abambalwa, which means oyena carbon singamthathela apha ngulo, because na only 2 hydrogen atoms. Samthathela kule ndawo u-Br bese simthathile apha, which means ke ngoku le rule ithi sizofumana a major product, which means this one is a minor product. Sibe sigqibile major product and a minor product. So sibe sigqibile ke ngoku, this is dehydrohalogenation. So ezinye sozibona kwi-questions. Let's quickly go to questions. Question number 1. Elimination reaction in organic chemistry usually results in the formation of. Kuye kuformisheke ntoni kwi-elimination reaction? Option number 1, a saturated compound. No, this is out. Akuformisheki saturated compound. Kuye kuformisheke ntoni? Alkane. No, even this one is out. Akuformisheki alkane because it is also saturated. Eyona yona iformishekayo is an unsaturated hydrocarbon. Yiyo qha eformishekayo, which means the option here is C. What about alcohol? Ayiformisheki alcohol kwi-elimination because siya remove i-water, or we remove i-hydrogen, or we remove HCl, or we remove hydrogen kuphela, so okanye halogen kuphela. Okay, Let's quickly go to number 2. One of the following is the correct elimination reaction. Alkene plus hydrogen. So here we added hydrogen as a removanga, that is not elimination. Alcohol to form alkene and water. This one is correct. Kwi-elimination reaction siye sisuke ku-saturated compound to unsaturated compound. We eliminate something here, kucho kufomisheke a double bond, which means alcohol is saturated to form unsaturated alkene. With siye a double bond. Okay, so the correct answer is B here. Why you see a wrong? Alkene plus Cl2 kwakho uchloro. This is saturated. This one is also saturated. That is chloroalkane. Thina sisuka from saturated to unsaturated. Then let's look at D. Alkene plus bromine. This one is addition reaction. That is not what the elimination reaction. Let's go to number 3. Number 3 na uthini? The reaction of alcohol with concentrated sulfuric acid at 170 degrees Celsius produces. So masiyenze ke ngoku le. This is ethanol 1, 2. Eth means 2, there is OH here. Then sibe concentrated sulfuric acid. Since we concentrated sulfuric acid, which means we are going to eliminate. So kuleni carbon sizo eliminate lo. Then kuleni carbon si eliminate hydrogen. Then share a compound ke ngoku emekanje 1, 2. So sinalo hydrogen simsusile lo wa. Sinalo hydrogen, sinalo hydrogen, sibe nalo hydrogen, sibe nalo hydrogen. Simsusile lo, samsusa lo hydrogen. Then the double bond forms here. Sicho sifumane H2O because suse hydrogen nabani, ulento OH nabani no hydrogen. That is dehydration. Xa sinema le product leya siyibiza ngoba yi-ethene. Masiyojonge ngoku bikhona into edibena nanto besiyenza. Ethanol with acid is wrong. Ethene is the correct answer. So this is the answer. This one is incorrect and this one is incorrect. Let's quickly go to number 4. On number 4 they say, a strong base commonly used in elimination is. Yeyiphi sesiphi strong base esiqhela usebenza kakhulu elimination. So sizojonga ke ngopha uba yeyiphi exhaphakileyo esebenza kakhulu kwi-elimination. Nansi endiqhela uyibona nangona nje khandi ibeke pha kwi-conditions. That is KOH in ethanol. So the correct answer is C. Question number 2. Now we are going to do question number 2. So question number 2. Uthi zisuka nje masidefine i-elimination reaction. So i-elimination ke ngoku xa si-define we can say yi-reaction where we remove small molecules from saturated organic molecules to unsaturated compounds. So we remove small molecules like H2O, like Cl2, but the product that will be formed there is alkene, which is unsaturated compound. Write down the molecular formula of alkene formed when a 1-bromopropane undergoes elimination. Let's do the reaction. So 1-bromopropane 1, 2, 3. So we have Br here. Sense a reaction before spin equation. 1-bromopropane. Prop means 3 carbon atoms. Carbon, there is a bromine. So in this one, we are going to remove the bromine and the hydrogen, which means the reaction condition that we need there is a concentrated strong base. I can use sodium hydroxide as well as heat there. So I will write the product here, or the products. When we remove HBr, OH uzodibana no-OH here, then we get H2O plus. Then Br adibane no sodium, then we get sodium bromide plus the organic compound. Then the double bond will form here. So we'll have a double bond here. So we have 1, 2, 3. There is a double bond that is formed there. Hydrogen, hydrogen, hydrogen. Then we have hydrogen by 3 here. So since in susengezansi mandibhale ngenhla hydrogen aba, because in the remove ngezansi, so I have hydrogen, disuse ezi zoyi-2 mawube kwi-space here. Then equation it write down the what? The molecular formula of alkene formed. The alkene that is formed here have 3 carbon atoms, C3. How many hydrogen atoms? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 hydrogen atoms. Okay, there are 6 hydrogen atoms. So ndibhale H6. This is the molecular formula. You just count the number of carbon atoms and hydrogen atoms, then we phendule the question. Then the following question says state 2 reaction conditions. So in this one is very easy. Send this by heat and concentrated strong base. So that is heat and concentrated sodium hydroxide, or you can say concentrated strong base, or you can say KOH in ethanol. Alright, let's go to question number 3. Question number 3. A balanced chemical equation for the dehydration of ethanol to form alkene. Let's do that. So we have ethanol. Ethanol means there are 2 carbon atoms and there is a double bond there. Ethanol, there is no double bond, but there are 2 carbon atoms. There is OH. Okay, there is OH because it is an alcohol. So we remove amanzi because they say it's a dehydrating. So we remove this OH and this H. Okay, so the reaction will need a concentrated sulfuric acid, H2SO4. and heat. Then xa ke ngusiyi-remova phaa zizofomisha i-H2O eziyi-2. Nawe uyayibona inabani ngu-OH nabani no-H, which means ukuba lo ngu-H2O. Plus ishiye ke ngula compound ime kanje la compound. Nansi le compound ime kanje. Nansi le compound ime kanje ya. Bekukho bana apha u-OH wasuka. Then besinabani apha besino-H wasuka. Okay? So the double bond forms here. Sitsho sibene ethene. Then sigqibile, this is a balanced equation for this reaction. Write down, okay, write what? A balanced equation for the elimination of 2-bromobutane using alcoholic KOH. Let's do this one. Remember, this is the condition. This is the condition that we use there with dehydrohalogenation. So upper we have this one, butane, but 1, 2, 3, 4. On carbon number 2, I have Br. There is Br there, hydrogen there, sorry. Then we have hydrogen, we have hydrogen, we have hydrogen, even there, hydrogen, 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 hydrogen. Then we use a concentrated strong base, that is KOH in ethanol. Then we form. And there is also a heat there. Now, we are going to remove this bromine. To get a major product, sizothathela ophu carbon kunalo carbon nalo carbon. So lona carbon no hydrogen abayi-3, lona carbon no hydrogen abayi-2, sizothathela lo no hydrogen abayi-2 simthathele, which means lo H uyahamba, lo Br naye uyahamba. Right? Sishiyeke nale compound butane 1, 2, 3, 4. Then there is a double bond here between eza carbon besizithathele kuzoba kwi-double bond. Right? Then sitsho sibhale zonke le nto ke ngoku ezishiyekileyo i-hydrogen atoms. Siyithathile yala ushiyeke yala phezulu. Then apha sithathe u-Br, then apha sithathanga nto. Right? Then u-H lo uzodibana nabani no-OH lo kuphume u-H2O aphuma amanzi pha. Then u-K adibane no-bromine kuphume u-KBr. Then sibe sigqibile leya, that is question number 3. Let's quickly go to question number 4. Learner performs an experiment where 2-bromopropane is heated, which means there is heat, with a potassium hydroxide. There is a potassium hydroxide in ethanol, which means this is a concentrated potassium hydroxide. Xa ifakwe ethanol, it's concentrated. Then there is a heat. So we have 1, 2, 3. That is propane. Then we have hydrogen atoms. Carbon 2, there is a bromine. There is a bromine here. So we have hydrogen here, hydrogen here, hydrogen there, and njalo njalo. Now, siyi-reactise nantoni? Siyi-reactise ne-concentrated potassium hydroxide. Then kuzokwenzeka elimination. This one will be removed, and this one can also be removed, which means the product that will be formed will have 3 carbon atoms. Right? Then upper we have hydrogen. We have hydrogen here. then we have hydrogen here, we have a hydrogen by 3 here, hydrogen, hydrogen, hydrogen. Then since sisuse something here nalapha, then the double bond forms. Now we are left with this one, bromine, ne hydrogen, no KOH. So hydrogen uzodibana no OH part to form hydrogen or water, to form H2O plus. UBr adibane no K to form KBr. Then sigqibile there. Kuthiwa name the type of elimination. Si-eliminate ntoni pha? Hydrogen no Br, which means si-delete ntoni? I-hydrogen, hydrogen ne-halogen, which means this is dehydrohalogenation, the type of reaction. Right, or we can say it's an elimination. Write down the IUPAC name of the main organic product formed. So a product efomshekileyo, that is a propene. This is a propene. There are 3 carbon atoms here. There is a double bond, that is a propene. So we can't say 1 up equal number 1, because if say change say susapha siyibeka apha still seku number 1. That is why invent that propene ingayixelanga ku number 1, izohlala ku number 1. Explain why ethanol is used instead of water. So sifuna kaloku ibe concentrated la base. That is why we use ethanol. Izosinceda kwenzeke la elimination reaction. Because if we say water pha bezenzeka substitution reaction. If we say water pha iyawuthetha ukuthi we are diluting the KOH. Therefore kwenzeke ntoni ke ngopha i-substitution. So we use this one to make that KOH abe concentrated, kutsho kwenzeke i-elimination reaction.